Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Discord to PS4. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now there are two ways that you could typically connect, but let me tell you right away that even if you connect it, there is no advantage because you can't call, you can't text, and do those things using Discord over here. So first way is you can simply go to Settings, then you can simply go to Account Management, then you could go to Linked Services, and here there are many services that you can link. If you see Discord application from this list, then you can go ahead and then link them. But in my case, it is actually not showing up. So I will show you the second way on how you can do it. So for the second way, you have to simply open up your mobile browser and just go to PlayStation.com, as you would be able to see here, and log into your account. So once you go to PlayStation.com, just tap on your profile icon from the top right. And here you can simply go to Account Settings. Then once you go to Account Settings, again you will see this type of option here. We simply need to go to this option that says Linked Services. So go to Link Services here. And once you go to Linked Services from here, you can simply select the Discord application and then just go ahead and link your Discord in that way. But as I said, if in the first method, the Discord application does show up over there, perfectly fine. You don't have to do it via the second step. And even if you do the second step and link it, there's really no advantage because you can't place calls or anything as such. So that's basically how you can connect Discord to PS4. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.